How to fold the rear seats on your Toyota Matrix. This is the first gen, but on the second gen is the same thing. So you're gonna go on the corner of your seat, and usually you're gonna have a knob. Okay, it's black, not like this one, but all you have to do is to pull on it. And once you pull on that knob, okay, imagine, okay, you see, pull on it, it will unlock the backrest and you'll be able to fold it flat. Same thing on the other side, you pull it, all right, right over there, it will be a black one, and you'll be able to fold flat and have a huge space over here to load many things. Once you're done, simply put this back, make sure it clicks in place. Okay, this one is a bit okay, now it's good. It's because the seat belt was in the way, make sure it's out of the way, and this way you'll be able to put it back. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.